S&P's down 7% pre-market. You still long airlines?
Yeah, I hedged with VIX calls, but I didn't expect this. Oil's down 30%. It's a bloodbath. Saudi-Russia price war, coronavirus. Who the hell had that combo on their bingo card?
2020 wants to be 2008. So bad it's embarrassing.
This isn't funny, man. My book's down 6 million since Friday. If we don't bounce on the open,
We won't. Circuit breaker's gonna hit at 9:30 sharp. Futures are locked.
I'm getting no fills on the hedge. I've got orders just hanging, like the whole market's frozen.
Because it is. Vol's jacked. No one wants to be the other side. You're trading in a ghost town, kid.
You said dip buyers would come in.
I said they'd eventually come in. I didn't say it'd be Monday morning while half the world's in lockdown.
What do we do?
We wait. First 15 minutes are about survival, not heroism.
I'm overexposed. Airlines, cruise lines, a goddamn REIT that owns malls. It's like I went shopping for contagion risk.
You're not overexposed. You're a case study for future interns.
Markets plunging today. The Dow Jones Industrial average sinking down almost 3,000 points.
Well, dead. I didn't even know this was possible.
You're in the deep end now. You either learn to tread water or you drown fast.
You've been through this before?
.com bust, 2008. Flash crash, China deval, Brexit. Each time felt like the end of the world. Each time we kept breathing. But you're gonna need to decide if you're here to gamble or to trade.
I thought I was trading.
Then learn the difference fast.